Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the Notify to Clean Original Scanning Area setting on your Canon i-SENSYS MF650 series. So, as you guys can see, we have the main menu right here on the printer. Now we need to click on the menu. And here in the menu, we need to click on Preferences, go to the Display Settings, and here we will have the Notify to Clean Origin Scan Area. It's this setting right here. Here we can, let's say, disable it. And now I'll show you how to change it on the web page. So here we are at the main page of our printer. Now what we need to do is we need to go over to Settings and Registration, and here go to the display ones. So click on the display settings. Here we will have a lot of options. So here we have the Notify to Clean Original Scanning Area. Let's click on Edit right here. We need to wait for it to change the page again. And after that, we will be able to enable it right here by enabling or disabling the checkbox. So mine was disabled, now I'll enable it. Let's click OK, and those settings are saved automatically. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.